Hey everybody, just wanted to show you a great software for removing backgrounds from your videos. It's super easy to basically just cut yourself out, put in different backgrounds. You can even put in a green screen image. That way you can chroma key the background out. It's called CapCut. So let's just jump right into it here. Okay, so I've got the CapCut software open. I will leave a link down below for you to be able to download this. All you have to do is within a new project, click on import, and I basically have a sample movie here already set up. I'm also going to import my background green screen image that I have here. Drag this down into the timeline. All you have to do is click on the clip, go to Cutout, choose Auto Cutout, and it'll process the background out of your scene for you. Takes a couple seconds here. You can see the progress bar basically counting up. And there we go. I'm cut out. If I kind of scrub through this, you can see that my fan was on, so in the bottom right-hand corner, it doesn't realize that's not actually movement, and that's fine. In most cases, you want to have a static background so it doesn't pick up movement. Now, the background is black. You can now come over into Canvas. If you wanted to blur the background, there's different options here. You can choose a color. In this particular case, they don't have the green screen actual chroma key color here, but that's fine. I'll just go ahead and leave it white for now. There's all sorts of other options here if you want to put stuff behind you. They have a lot of pre-made templates that you can use. What I'm actually going to do is show you how to use a green screen image in the background. Come down here, bring your video up one layer, and just drag in your green screen. Make it the same length as your clip. Hit play. And there you go. And again, you can still see my fan a little bit here. That's fine. In most cases, I might just crop this out in my video editing software. So that's pretty awesome. I mean, it's just a super quick process to remove your background. Now for your video layer inside of CapCut, they actually have some tools you can use to adjust the color if you want to pre-process it before bringing it into your video editing software. Under adjustment, you can apply a LUT. You can go to adjustments down here. You can change the color temperature. I'll just move the color temperature down a little bit. I'm going to bring the saturation up just a tad. I also like to come in and just sharpen it up a little bit, make my picture a little bit more clear. Anything you want to do in here, pretty easy to do. The next step is just to click the export button in the top right corner. Gives you the option for what resolution. In this particular case, it was just a 1080p. You can change the bit rate, the codec, the format, and the frame rate. Hit export, and there you go, all done. Now this software is also on a phone. I have an iPhone, so I'll go ahead and demonstrate that for you in case you just want to do all your video editing right on your phone. So here I'm going to show you how to use CapCut on the iPhone. I like to use VLC to transfer files from my phone to my computer and from my computer to my phone. I put up a YouTube short exactly how to do that, so check that one out. So let's load up VLC here and just click on the image, the video, save video, and it's in your camera roll. Next thing we want to do is open up CapCut, do a new project. We want to add our green screen image first. Add that to the project. I think we want to click this green screen and drag it out a little bit further. All right. So now we want to go back and add an overlay. Choose the video that we want. Use your fingers to zoom. Now go under Cutout and choose Remove Background. And done. It's that easy. Only takes a couple seconds. Now you can take this green screen and drag it out to the full length of your video. And it's ready to export. Click Export in the top right of the app. Hit Confirm. And this takes a few seconds, so I'll jump ahead. And done. It's been saved to your camera roll. So if we go out to the camera roll, in your photos, click on the video. There it is. Green screen background removed. All good to go, ready for you to use in whatever projects you want. So that's basically it. CapCut, it does a really good job. But before you go, do me a favor and check out my playlist for the Learn With Me series that I'm doing, where I'm going basically from scratch all the way to becoming a pro creator. So thank you so much.